Iya, Megatron.
Udah Megatron mungkin aja. Bukan Megatron enggak? Iya, Astron. Ini Ambatron. Ambatron atau Ambarusdi? Ambarusdi lah. Ambarusdi sih, masa nggak tahu? Sama bisa punya Amba nggak sih? Fakultas ke transformeran. Fakultas transformeran. What if what?
Alright.
Oke.
Okay. Today will be the last open class with you.
What if I lost?
Open the class.
What if I
Please. What if ada? What if I lost my girl?
Saya salam untuk teacher.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.
Saya Pak.
What if I lost my brain? What if I lost my brain?
Alright, friends. Keep silent ya, man ya. Alright, everyone, please prepare your notes. Take out your notes and your pen.
What if I lost my book?
Paper.
What if
Don't excuse for not bringing the books. Provide your paper. Okay?
Sir, can I drink some water?
Cannot.
Why?
Drink
Because you want. Not
no
drink
drink,
no
no
food.
food during the lesson.
Not have some water.
You will drink water after the session. Yes, today will be the last one.
Fires us when the top.
After session. You 30 minutes to be skipped because you come late. Okay, ready? Okay, we alright. Together. Now look at here. Look at the slide. Silakan lihat the slide. Look at the slide. I don't have to read this one.
Oh my God.
There's some statements. There's statement over there. Look at that. You forget to study before the test. What will happen if you don't study? You forget to study before the test.
My big get low score.
Maybe get low score.
The score is not good.
The score is not
Not
good.
maximum.
Not maximum.
Low
Score.
score.
What? Stress. Okay. Get stressed. Yeah. Okay. And also with the second question, will you get a good score?
No.
Of course not. Probably. There's two skill. Yeah. You will get score if you don't study. But you think you already mastered the material, the topic, and then you don't have to study. And then possibly you can get the good score.
What will happen
So,
if you don't study?
well, no. But yeah, the case you do study, you don't know anything. What is the second one? It rains during the sport class. What happens if it rains?
Sleeping indoor. Back to
Will you stay? Do you still play outside?
Sleeping
Back to
indoor.
home?
Study indoor.
Studying in the class. Back to dog and what do you
Go to gym.
do it the gym. Will sport in indoor. Kencing. Don't get back here. Three.
Next week, next.
1 week.
Yes.
Next.
Oh,
Okay.
ada.
Eyes on here.
200.
From those 3 statements, dari 3 statement di awal tadi, do our action give results?
Yes.
Apakah tindakan kita bisa menghasilkan sesuatu?
Yes.
If we do something, does something happen after that?
Yes.
Kalau kita melakukan sesuatu, apakah ada akibatnya setelah itu?
Yes.
Of course.
Yes.
In our choices,
Yes.
how?
Uh,
Bisa nggak?
Banyak.
Pilihan kita itu merubah masa depan.
Yes.
So how? Just explain.
We use the
Fayang, I
president.
want to listen from you. Fayang.
Was.
Can our choices change the future?
Yes.
Apakah pilihan kita bisa mengubah masa depan? Apakah pilihan kita sekarang bisa
Yes.
mengubah
Yes, how?
What?
Yes.
What example?
This you.
You not study. You stupid.
Okay.
You study.
You study.
You
Smart.
smart.
Okay.
You study.
You. You raise your hand.
If you manage it, you
You get a lot.
You eat a
You
lot.
get fat.
If you is
Don't get offended. Okay. Q. One more. Can our choices change the future?
down.
Bisa nggak? Pilihan kita itu mengubah masa depan.
Yes, can.
How?
If you
Okay. If you don't know, what do you think? Tell me.
you can
Tell me. What do you think?
What the question?
Last one. Can our choices change the future?
Yes.
Yes, what does the example?
Rafael, let's listen to Rafael. What do you think? Last one.
Yes, of course it can change the future.
How is that possible?
Like if we get 2 options and then we have to choose one of them, we choose the better one.
We choose the
Sir, me.
Yeah.
If you're not good in English, you can study English with Sarawak.
If you don't good study in English, you can study English with me. Okay, good. If your behavior is bad, for example, Hamdi, no Hamdi, Rafi Hamdi, can we change that behavior?
Yes.
Unless the behavior is really instilled, ya. Di dalam diri. Okay. Next. If we don't study, I get bad scores.
Yeah. Might be.
It's just an
If it
opinion.
rains, we stay in class.
Yeah.
Right? If I sleep late, I feel sleepy. If you do something, the result will be this. Three results.
Conditional
No,
sentence.
that's an
Wait.
opinion.
Conditional.
In daily life, we often talk about situation and results that happen in our daily life. Right? Today, we're going to learn about possibilities, kemungkinan, results. What is results? Hasil, and also imagination. What is imagination? Guessing. Very good guessing. But before we come to this one, perhatikan kalimat ini lagi ya. If it rains tomorrow, we'll stay at home.
Yeah.
Possible? Is it possible?
Yes.
But
Can it really happen?
tapi dia di luar.
Could be yes, could be yes or no. Could be yes, could be no. Ya. Could be outside. One. The second one. Look at the second one.
Clark Kent.
If I were a superhero, I If I were a superhero, I would fly around the world. Is it possible? Is it real? Is it imagination? Could it happen?
He'll fly with an airplane.
Could be a flying with aircraft. But with this one, is it possible to happen?
Yeah.
Not possible.
It is possible.
Now,
Maybe.
discuss with your friends three.
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 Anak.
Three.
Oke.
Oh, 3 orang. Grup ini.
Iya.
Silakan tentukan.
Anak.
Real or imaginary? Look at the sentence. Silakan. Sekarang ini 1 menit.
Ya.
You are fit.
Discuss
And
real or imaginary? In this case, only 3 ya. Okay, done. Let's decide. Which sentences talk about future? 1, 2, 3, 4. Which sentences?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1,
3, 4.
3,
4.
4.
Yeah.
Future.
1,
1, 3, 4. 1, 4.
1, 3.
1, 3.
Just four. Just four.
I will invent you. Alright. You give the candy.
1 and 3.
How long will I will bend it? Alright. You juga. 1, 3 dan 4.
1, 3.
1, 3, 1, 4.
Just four.
4, pilih 4. Ini berbeda-beda. Perhatikan.
Saya belum jawab.
Yes, you.
1 and
2 ya. 4, 1, 4. Oke.
3, 4. 1 and
3. Oke. Jawabannya.
Just one.
1 and 3.
1, 3, 3, bos.
What sentences talk about imagination?
2 and 4.
Okay. Which situation you think that can happen now?
One and three.
Kira-kira yang mana situasinya yang bisa
One and
terjadi?
three.
1 and 3. Oke. Yang only dream?
2 and 4.
Nah, sekarang Mister akan bagikan kalimat. Silakan tentukan. You get one.
Only one
Sentence. You get one.
If I were taller,
Bukan.
Come here.
imaginary.
Get your sentence. Alright. Everyone please stand up first. Stand up first. On my left here is real. On my right is imaginary. Imaginary situation. Stand up. Now. On my left, real. On my right, imaginary. Real yang imaginary was right here. Stand up. Decide your sentence. Okay, done. What is yours? The sentence.
If you were taller,
If you were taller,
you would join the basketball.
okay, that's correct. You. You do hurry.
You will.
Okay, that's correct. Now,
Ya ini asli maksud saya, ini imajinasi.
Tapi dia tidak imajinasi.
Asli di dunia nyata.
Pokoknya panas kok. Kalau di
Keyword boy,
What do you think that is imaginary? Dengarkan jawaban pertanyaan. Why do you think that is imaginary situation?
because the situation recalls if he were.
Word.
Yeah.
Okay.
What he would.
What tense is used for that?
In would.
Don't listen to the
He would.
Past simple.
Yeah.
Right.
Now, this sentence.
Alright. Nah, sekarang coba perhatikan. Coba tuliskan menurut kalian. From those sentences, what are characteristics of real situation?
Well,
Coba tulis dulu.
Apa ini?
Menurut kalian, from those sentences dari kalimat tadi, what are characteristics of real situation? Dari kalimat yang kalian baca, apa sih ciri-ciri dari kalimat situasi kalimat tadi?
Saya imajinasi dapatnya di mana?
Nah, coba. Apa ciri-ciri kalimat? Kok bisa imajinasi? Kok
Oh,
bisa
bisa imajinasi.
Apa ciri-ciri? Tulis dulu. Your answer.
I'm done.
From those sentences dari kalimat-kalimat tadi. For example, this one. If we don't hurry, we will miss the train. Kalau kita nggak bergegas, we will miss the train. Kita akan ketinggalan kereta. Why is this real situation? Future. Sampai tadi yang satunya tadi punya payah.
Ya, terus apa lagi ya?
Ada situation.
hubungan sebab akibatnya jelas.
Oke, tulis in your notes.
Alasanku tuh terus deh.
I don't know that. kemana aja sih Im?
Kalian sekolah lagi ya.
Ayo.
Coba lihat itu buku bahasa Inggris bukan.
This is English na. English was
But if the has no intention to go to school,
Terlalu dimanjain, Sir. Terlalu dimanjain.
apa?
Terlalu dimanjain itu.
I think so.
Jadi,
Menjadi. Barat militer aja
Langsung
sudah.
dapat awal, langsung dapat kan dari Bang Yudi. Langsung baik.
Bapak saya.
Oke, Henry, share what you have written. Sekarang bagi apa yang sudah kamu tulis. Apa karakteristik yang
Saya.
Sebab akibatnya saling berhubungan.
Hah?
Sebab akibatnya saling
Ada sebab akibat. What else?
I'm imaginasi because the sentence is wrong.
Image.
Ampas ini.
Apa karakteristik yang kamu dapat?
It use the word well.
It use
Yudi etanol.
kata Rafael. Halo. Kata Rafael said. Sudah tidak Menteri Big Spelling Kelas. We give you a second chance. You do the same thing with spelling from the class. Listen up to Rafael. Rafael, what is the tradition that you mentioned before?
There is the word well.
Ada kata will menandakan apa?
That will happen.
Okay. What else?
Sir. Kalimat saya imaginary.
Okay, why?
Karena kata wall.
Wood. Katanya wood. Belum
Nah,
ya? Nah sekarang good answer, but that will be the second question. Nah sekarang pertanyaan yang kedua. What are the characteristics of imagination? Nah boleh ditulis dulu.
Not
Apa tadi?
Saya
Nggak masuk akal. Oke.
memiliki kata word dan wood.
Memiliki kata word dan wood. Oke, lagi.
Saya kata word.
Will dan wood.
Will dan wood. Is that true? Will and wood?
Ada kata wordnya sama.
Will for real? Wood for
Nah, English maksud saya itu.
Okay, now let's explore deeper. Perhatikan. Real possibility biasanya talk about future results. Ya, sesuatu yang mungkin terjadi biasanya talk about future results. Hasil yang di masa depan. Bisa jadi hujan, could be rain, it will rain, ya. Could happen, could not happen, ya. Unreal imagination, different situation. Biasanya yang sudah nyata, this is different present situation. For example, if I were you, I will kill you. Seandainya saya jadi Baim, I will akan bunuh Baim. Ternyata tapi saya enggak. Baim, so nah, oke, different situation. Nah, so what we discussed before is talk about conditional. Ya, topik kita hari ini adalah
Conditional sentence.
conditional. Boleh sambil di ya.
Ini sudah setiap hari
Do you really want to study or not? Baik. That's correct. Kira-kira ada yang tahu conditional sentence itu apa?
Conditional sentence.
Kalimat berandai-andai. Jika saya, if, ya gunakan if clause. Jika saya, kalau yang pertama we talk about present result, a future result. Kira-kira apa tadi ciri-cirinya kalau present a future result? Ada will-nya ternyata. Ya. Oke, kalau yang different present situation, ada word, dia pakai apa word? Pas ya. Pas. Rapi Hamdi. Hamdi, coba Rapi Hamdi. Oke. Nah, sekarang apa conditional sentence itu? No. That's what. Conditional sentence express unreal situation. Biasanya mengungkapkan situasi yang tidak nyata.
Berandai-andai.
Kita cukup berandai-andai. Andai situation that will happen under certain conditions. Bisa terjadi pada kondisi tertentu. Contohnya seperti ini. Oke. Alright. Nah sekarang gimana sih? Conditional sentence ternyata ada 3 tipe. 4 ya sebenarnya ada 4 ya. But we discuss it only 3. But we discuss here only 2 as well. Yang number 3-nya we will not discuss it. Present sentence. So what is first conditional sentence?
What is
Real. Apa tuh yang real ya? Yang present result. Nah, it start conditional sentence specific structure. Ada strukturnya apa tuh? If clause and result clause. Ternyata ada if clause-nya dan result clause. Rapi Hamdi. Contoh, if she saves money, she will buy a new phone.
Yeah, she
Betul
will.
nggak?
Why is she?
Lihat yang kedua, she will say, I won the lottery, I will travel always. Apa perbedaannya, Rapi Hamdi? What's the difference between the two sentences? Yang atas ada will, oh ternyata ada would. Okay, what about this one? If she saves money,
Kalau ada bentuk jadi asli yang nggak ada kalau waktu yang tidak ada.
berandai-andai. Sungai andai, bukan sungai andai, tapi we are from Semarang Dalam, right? Tapi sayang, Semarang Dalam last time.
He walking.
You walking in the market.
Nah,
Katanya gondongan. What walk? Market Semarang Dalam. Oke, ya. Contohnya seperti ini. Ya, nah sekarang bisa ditulis dulu. Ini ternyata strukturnya yang dibilang Rapi Hamdi itu adalah biasanya pakai simple present. Setelahnya will harus pakai apa? Future.
Base form apa sih?
Hmm?
Base form, what is it?
Kata kerja dasar, bentuk dasar. I will kill you. Kill is the first form atau verb one. I will kill you.
Okay. I will kill you. Already said Semarang she'll buy a new phone.
Look at her.
Why?
Is she a
Her? I am. Why? Or is he? Or is she? Is it?
Santai maksudnya santai juga.
Why? Why?
Kenapa ini?
A woman or
I think a woman because she thus proclaims that she is the she. Sekarang nanti bisa bersama Caesar. One day left. Nah, it's just African American. Boy.
Dan
Dan.
next. Coba buatkan satu contoh. Buatkan satu contoh masing.
Store offline.
You're offline.
Tadi base apa?
Tadi.
Apa sih ada apa?
Ya, oke, bukan, gak apa-apa. Sekarang berikan satu contoh.
Base
Apa?
base all.
Ya, satu contoh. Ya, one example.
If
Saya sudah.
Oke, good job. Alright. Satu contoh kamu sebutkan.
If the winter is sunny, we will go to the beach.
Listen up to
Cek.
Hamdani ya.
Bola.
Hamdani lah. Hamdani itu main.
Listen to me.
Apa saya lagi?
Oke. Rizal, mention your sentence.
Listen to me.
Listen to him. Rizal. Oke, Rizal.
Okay.
What's your sentence, Rizal?
If the weather is sunny,
If the weather is sunny,
we will go to the beach.
we will go to the beach. Okay, go.
If it rains, I will bring an
If
umbrella.
it rains, I will bring an umbrella.
If I win competition,
I will competition.
I will get money for Olympic competition.
Help me, help me.
Yeah.
Yes.
If she invites me, I will come to her party.
Okay. If she
Oh.
invites me, I will come to her party.
Hey. Invite Blueberry Fair.
If I have
If
yeah, if I have
I will get kiss from you.
okay. If I have good grades, I will get cookies from Mr. Awal.
Me.
If I study and train every day, I will go to a good school, sir. A good school SMA.
Okay.
I don't know.
If I take Benedetta, we will win the game.
If I
Take Benedetta.
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 We will win the game.
We will win the
If
game.
you wake up early, you catch the bus.
If you
Sir,
wake
itu
up early, you
impossible.
catch the bus.
Sir, tapi
You will
impossible.
Tapi impossible.
Yes, possible, sir.
Okay.
Impossible.
I think the sentence is
If I think Sicilian.
Sir, saya ready.
Sir, the team we will have a hard game.
Okay, don't worry. Now, go to the next one. The second definition. What is second definition?
Under situation.
We talk about under situation.
Imagination.
Contoh, if I won the lottery, I would travel running boat. Kalau saya menang lotret, saya akan
Conditional.
keliling
Ini.
Helikopter.
If plus apa ini?
Mana tuh? Nah, this one.
Would. If.
Pasti
If.
ada masalah.
Alright. Now,
Terus saya.
you have it, right?
If I won the game,
Ya.
Ini sudah. Semangat.
bilang itu juga present. Ini
Pasti.
If I won the game, I won.
Nah, orang.
Buat kalimat kalian. Create your own sentence. 1 minute. Wait. Pasti. Kayaknya Rapi, kamu bis di kelas ya, Rapi ya?
If I won.
Okay. Your sentence, Rehan. Okay, Rehan, send your sentence. If I were invisible,
I would disturb my friends.
I would
Disturb my friends.
disturb my friends. Apa sih invisible?
Invisible.
Tak bisa dilihat. Saya akan mengganggu. If my grandfather were, yeah. If my grandfather were Haji Isam, I would have much money.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
I were rich,
If I were rich, okay.
I
I buy
every
the world.
ya.
Benar nggak Rafael? If I were rich, I buy.
Saya beli bumi.
I beli bumi. I buy the world. Benar nggak? If I were rich, I buy the world.
I would atau I would buy.
I would. Ada yang ketinggalan. I would.
If I were rich, I would have many husbands.
If I were rich, I would have many husband. You want to have husband?
Saya katanya harus bantu pasangan.
Husband is not. Husband is suami.
Ya,
Spouse. Spouse. Spouse.
suami.
Have wife.
If I were Ronaldo, I will.
If I were Ronaldo,
I will bicycle cake.
okay. Good.
If I want kaya. If I have any money, bisa kalau I want both a new shoes.
Okay. So Ryan last.
If I became president,
Stop.
I would give free
If
cookies.
I became president, I
Free
will
cookies to
give
Mr. Awal.
cookies Mr.
Until
Awal.
he died.
So cookies is already instilled in your
Cookies.
mind.
Because jealousy.
Cookies is
Delicious. Okay. Next. Please skip this one. From the sentences that you make. Okay, good. From the sentences that you make, I think you understand already the type, conditional type 1.
Yes.
Now, discuss with your team. Yeah, 3, bertiga, 3. The answer. So discuss.
Nomor nomor 1 itu
One team.
Langsung tanya aja.
Diskusi. Jawabannya apa? What is the answer?
Langsung tanya. Catat.
Gak usah dicatat orang.
No need. You don't write. Just discuss the answer. Tidak perlu dicatat. Don't write. Discuss the answer.
I will sleep all
I will go to dormitory. In my home in Korea, I will top up diamond. I will top up.
This one.
Sergio.
Nomor 2.
Ya.
If it rains after school, I will ask umbrella to go back to door.
Okay. 3.
Jawab dah.
If my teacher gives homework, I will do the homework.
My teacher gives homework, I will do the homework.
Yes.
Okay, this one then. I want to listen your sentence.
Type 2.
Listen if I were invisible, what are you doing in my room? If I were invisible, I would go to Mr. Awal's room.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, let's go to good school. You just speak your mind, yeah?
No.
Okay, let's go.
This is good.
If I think more, yeah.
I will be president for that.
I would be a president. Yeah. Last one, Rafael.
Oke,
If I had unlimited money,
If I had unlimited
I will
money,
not
I can
give
buy
all the people in this world money.
I would.
I would give all the
I
people in
would
this
give
world.
all the people in this.
kasih saya 50
Kasih
ribu.
saya 50 ribu.
Kasih saya
Alright, case study. Many students feel sleepy in the classroom. Please provide a condition using conditional sentence. Ada satu kasus ternyata many students sleepy in the classroom. What is your solution? Provide a conditional sentence. 1 minute, silakan. Whatever. Pokoknya silakan. Using conditional sentence. Go, 1 minute. Using
Okay,
conditional
okay.
sentence.
If a
That's the
student
case.
sleeping in class,
Many students feel sleepy in the class. What is your
the
solution?
student will make a call.
Go. Sudah? Done? You have solution? Okay, done? Already? Because our time is limited. Let's hear from this team. Okay, what is your solution? If many students,
There is many students who are sleeping
Okay.
in the class. They will do the ice breaking routine. Kemarin sama kemarin.
go ahead. One and two. You. If
If the student will sleepy in class,
They
student
will.
will get a call.
okay, oh, you provide solution. Student have to get banned.
Yes.
Okay.
Oke, nama.
Rafiandi, what is your solution, Rafiandi?
Will not get
Think about
Good.
you.
Awal lu saya pikir
Bos,
if
ini.
there is many students sleeping in class, if there is many students sleeping in the class, I will request just handphone.
I will request this handphone. Okay, you.
If many students facility, Mr. Awal gives laptop.
Mr. Awal gives the good solution. Okay, solutionnya sangat mencerahkan semua ya. So,
Handphone
terus handphone, laptop. Solution is okay. Now individual work silakan kerjakan dulu. Bubarkan. Buat saja dulu.
I was already in class.
Done ya? Okay. Let's go to number one.
If you
Helmi, number one.
Oh, Hazel, bagus sekali belum makan.
Nah, Helmi number one.
Oh, if you tonight,
Helmi number one.
if you go out,
Correct your answer. Silakan correct
if you go
jawaban.
out with your friends tonight, I will watch the football match on TV.
If you
Go out with your
go
friends.
out with your friends tonight,
I will watch the football match on TV.
is it true?
Ya.
That's correct. Jawaban. Jawabannya.
I will make a lot of money if I get that job.
Is it true? Helmi.
Yes.
Rizal, wait. Rizal. Ben.
Then
5 minutes. Yeah.
If she does not hurry, we will miss the bus.
Oke, Rizal, ulang. Apa tadi Rizal? Repeat.
Nomor berapa? If she not hurry, we will miss the bus.
If she not hurry, we will miss the bus. Is that true?
Apa? Yang apa?
Benar.
does not.
Does not. If she does not hurry, we will miss the bus.
Oh, yang kecil tuh.
Uh,
Ini kecil udah kelihatan.
Dafa.
Yang ini besar nih.
Dafa.
Oh, mati dari.
Dafa. Let's go, Dafa. Mister nggak dengar. Ya, ulang. Repeat. If he tries harder, he would reach his goal. Is that true? No, apa yang benar? Reach. Okay, yuk.
If was by those I would
By
these shoes if they
fitted.
Yes,
Fitted. That's correct. Azam, Azam.
Surprise.
Sebentar, apa aja? Ulang.
Surprise.
If surprise,
If they know the answer.
is that true?
No.
Apa jawabannya? Big.
It would surprise me.
It would
Surprise me.
It would surprise me
Me if they didn't
if you didn't know. Is it true? Okay, ya, apa?
It will not
It would not surprise me
if he
if
did
he
not
didn't
know that.
know. Is that true?
Yes.
Alright, everyone. Time is over. But before we end the session, wait. Let's have a reflection. Okay. What have you learned? What have you learned today?
We learned about conditional sentence.
Okay. What else?
So we learn how to make conditional sentence.
We learned how to make conditional sentence.
We must confident.
Confident. What is the value? The values, nilai. The values behind learning is what in your daily life. That you can apply in your daily life.
If we know what the real, what every our choice.
Every our choices
It will affect the
will
future.
affect the future. Okay.
Maybe I know what the real, what the
Oh, maybe you know what is real, what is imagination.
Sir, we can express the unreal situation in conditional
You
sentence.
can express
Unreal situation
unreal situation in
unconditional sentence.
conditional. Alright, everyone, I think that's all for today. Let's close our session.
Caranya apa ya? Kejar.
Stand up, please. Stand up, stand up, stand up.
Let's go.
If you don't prepare,
If you don't have proven, you don't want to study.
If you not study,
and get the answer. Nomor satu.
If you don't study,
Say alhamdulillah. Thank you to the teacher. Thanks,
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
thank you. And after this, you may take your laptop.
selamat tinggal.
Selamat tinggal lagi deh.
Bye bye.
Dadah. Sampai berjumpa lagi ya guys ya.